Have you ever wondered about the origins of the Olympics? Our journey begins in the 8th century BC, specifically 776 BC, in the verdant landscapes of Olympia, Greece. The Olympics in their earliest form were not the global spectacle we know today. Instead, they were primarily a religious festival held in honor of Zeus, the father of Greek gods and goddesses. Picture a scene filled with reverence and devotion, where the hustle and bustle of competition took a backseat to solemn rituals and ceremonies. The Olympics were not just about physical prowess, but also a deep expression of cultural identity and religious faith. The initial games were humble in their scope. For the first 13 Olympic festivals, there was only one event, a foot race. Not a marathon, not a sprint, but a middle-distance run of 192 meters, known as the Stadion Race. Named for the stadion, a measurement of distance in the ancient world, this race was the sole competition. Imagine the anticipation and excitement as athletes prepared for this one event. The Stadion Race was not just a test of speed, but also of endurance and strategy. Competitors trained rigorously, their sights set on the ultimate prize, a simple olive wreath and the honor of being the fastest man in Greece. This was the dawn of the Olympics, a time when the games were not yet international, not yet filled with a vast array of sports, and not yet touched by the spirit of unity and peace they promote today. But the seed had been sown, and the roots of this great tradition were taking hold in the fertile soil of Olympia. The Olympics began as a humble religious festival, a single race in honor of a god, but as we'll see, they wouldn't stay that way for long. Fast forward to the 19th century, where the flame of the Olympics was rekindled. In a time of significant global change, a French educator named Pierre de Coubertin saw an opportunity to bring nations together through sport. Inspired by the ancient Greeks, he envisioned a modern version of the Olympic Games. After years of tireless advocacy, his vision came to life in 1896. The first modern Olympic Games were held in Athens, Greece, the birthplace of the original Olympics. 14 nations participated in these games, competing in 43 events across a variety of athletic disciplines. The revival of the Olympics symbolized more than just a return of a historic competition. It represented unity, perseverance, and the shared love of sport that transcends borders and cultures. This revival laid the groundwork for what the Olympics have become today, a global celebration of athletic excellence and international camaraderie. The Olympics had made a triumphant return, and this was just the beginning. Ever wondered about the significance of the Olympic rings or the torch? These iconic symbols aren't just for show. They carry a profound message that resonates with the core values of the Olympic Games. Let's start with the Olympic rings. There are 5 of them, each intertwined with the others. Together they form a bond that is unbreakable and emblematic of unity. These 5 rings represent the 5 continents of the world: Africa, the Americas, Asia, Europe, and Oceania. Regardless of geographical boundaries, political differences, or cultural diversity, the rings stand as a symbol, reminding us that we are all connected, and that in the spirit of competition, we are one. Then, there's the Olympic flame, a beacon of hope that begins its journey at Olympia in Greece before making its way to the host city. This flame stands for purity, and the endeavor for perfection. It is lit from the sun's rays, signifying the light of spirit, knowledge, and life. The journey of the flame, passing through different countries, symbolizes the light of Olympic spirit brought into every corner of the world. The Olympic rings and the flame together signify unity, purity, and the pursuit of excellence, reflecting the true essence of the Olympic Games. These symbols carry deep meaning, embodying the spirit of the Olympic Games. Did you know that the Olympics are not just a summer affair? That's right, while the Summer Olympics may be more well-known, the Winter Olympics hold their own charm and excitement. The Winter Olympics were introduced much later than their summer counterpart. It wasn't until 1924 that the first Winter Games were held in Chamonix, France. This was a significant addition to the Olympic repertoire, bringing an array of exciting and adrenaline-pumping sports that could only be played on snow or ice. Let's take a moment to delve into the sports that make the Summer and Winter Olympics so captivating. The Summer Games are a spectacle of athleticism, featuring a wide variety of sports. From track and field events, gymnastics and swimming, to team sports like soccer and basketball, the Summer Olympics offer a thrilling display of human capability. On the other hand, the Winter Olympics bring a unique charm with sports that make the best of the icy conditions. Skiing, snowboarding, figure skating, and ice hockey are just a few of the popular sports that transform the cold winter months into a festival of athleticism and competition. But the Summer and Winter Olympics weren't always held in the same year. This changed in 1992, when the International Olympic Committee decided to stagger the Summer and Winter Games, placing them in separate four-year cycles. This decision was made to ensure that the Olympics could grace our televisions and captivate our imaginations every 2 years, rather than having to wait a full 4 years between each spectacle. This change also allowed each set of games to have their own spotlight, without one overshadowing the other. The result? An unending cycle of sporting competition, bringing nations together and showcasing the best athletes from around the world. From the summer heat to winter chills, the Olympics have something for every sports enthusiast. Whether you're a fan of the sweltering intensity of the Summer Games, or the icy thrill of the Winter Games, there's no denying the allure of the Olympics. Scene script: who are the titans of the Olympic Games? Let's dive into the extraordinary achievements of some of the most decorated Olympians. We'll start with the flying fish, none other than Michael Phelps. Widely celebrated as the most successful Olympian of all time, Phelps boasts an astounding 23 gold medals in swimming, 3 silver and 2 bronze, taking his total to an unparalleled 28. His prowess in the water has seen him break numerous world records, forever securing his place in Olympic lore. Moving from water to land, we turn our attention to the lightning bolt himself, Usain Bolt. This Jamaican sprinter, renowned for his speed and charisma, has dominated the track like no other. With a tally of 8 gold medals, Bolt holds the world record for the 100 meters, 200 meters, and the 4x100 meters relay. His lightning-fast sprints have left audiences worldwide in awe and fellow athletes chasing his shadow. Next, we have a gymnast who has redefined the sport with her gravity-defying moves, Simone Biles. With a total of 19 Olympic and World Championship medals, Biles is the most decorated American gymnast. Her performances are a masterclass in agility, strength, and grace, and she holds the record for the most World Championships gold medals won by a female gymnast. These athletes, along with many others, have pushed the boundaries of human potential, showing us that limits are there to be broken. Their grit, determination, and sheer talent have not only earned them a place in the record books, but also in the hearts of millions around the globe. Their journeys are a testament to the spirit of the Olympic Games, a celebration of human endeavor and excellence that transcends borders and cultures. They've shown us that records are not just numbers but milestones in the journey of human achievement. These athletes have left an indelible mark on the history of the Olympics. The Olympics have come a long way since its humble beginnings. Today it's a kaleidoscope of cultures, a melting pot of nations, each with its own unique traditions and sporting talents. From a mere 12 countries participating in the first modern games, today, the Olympics hosts over 200 nations, a testament to its growing inclusivity and global reach. If we look at the sports, we see a similar pattern of growth and diversification. From the classic track and field events, we now have an array of sports that boggles the mind. Skateboarding, surfing, rock climbing, sports that were once seen as recreational activities, have found their way to the Olympic stage, showcasing the evolution of athleticism and competition. But the Olympics is more than just a sports event. It's a beacon of unity and peace in a world rife with differences. It's a platform where nations can set aside their disputes and come together to celebrate the human spirit, the will to strive, to conquer, and to excel. It's a testament to our shared love for sports and competition, a celebration of diversity and unity. The Olympics of today is a vibrant, dynamic entity, constantly evolving, always inspiring. It's a testament to what we can achieve when we come together, united by a common passion. From ancient Greece to the global stage, the Olympics continue to captivate us all, embodying the spirit of unity, peace, and the love for sports.